turning back. No more turning back.
We are the indigenous Biafrans. In case you never know, we are the chosen generation. In case you never know, we head into the call of our past.
Who they call me now? When are they? Beg, you see, sir, they life. Some people I don't know what they worry themselves.
Monsters are killing us, pressing silent, but we know that this is war. Everybody know, them know, you know, and we know. They don't want us to be free, cause we got it all. Out of this is Steven, and we go. Every inch and every mile, they think we never go. Cause we need our freedom. We want our freedom. Freedom. Our freedom. We demand our freedom. Everybody wants
No more turning back. Backward never.
Oh now. No more turning back. Every now. No more turning back. No matter what I want to say. Can't stop the motion, cause this is revolution. From the beginning of time, suffering and tribulation, yeah. Marginalization and lies, they never wanna see us survive. The government, they always kill and kill. They wanna blow the candle light of generations young. I feel the pain, but I believe in letter day. Yeah, for the sunshine of God, see no place like home. No place like home. Yeah. No turning back, no going back, no turning back till we take our own back. Free.
Are you hearing it? No going back, not turning back until we take her.
Freedom. We taking our freedom from the evil.
This music are dedicated to our people in the north. We are telling them no turning back. If them like, let them be there. No turning back. We are not going back. We are marching forward ever. Forward ever. No more turning back. Nazo.
This is all we want. It's all we need.
Ghana Moonlight Star na YouTube. Moonlight, that download all this music, especially those people in the north. You need this music for you to know the stage where we are now.
Indigenous Biafrans.
No more turning back. Why were people known and not? No more turning back. Why no more turning back? No more turning back. No more turning back.
We are the indigenous Biafrans. In case you never know, we are the chosen generation. In case you never know, we head into the call of our past heroes. Monsters are killing us, pressing silent, but we know that this is war. Everybody know, them know, you know, and we know. They don't want us to be free, cause we got it all. Out of this is Steven, and we go. Every inch and every mile, they think we never go. Cause we need our freedom. We want our freedom. We want our freedom. We demand our freedom. Everybody wants
No more turning back. No more turning back.
No beginning of time, suffering and tribulation, yeah. Marginalization and lies. They never wanna see us survive. That government, they always kill and kill. They wanna blow the candlelight of generations young. I feel the pain, but I believe in letter day. Yeah, for the sunshine of God, say no place like home. No place like home. Yeah, yeah. No turning back, no going back, no turning back till we take our own back. Freedom, we want our freedom. Give us our freedom. We're taking our freedom from the evil. I know you know, but never. But tell all of them now. This is revolution. But tell all of them now.
Yes, my people.
This is the
No more turning back. Forward ever. Backward never. We are not going to turn back. Go and download this music. Just go straight to YouTube. Search No More Turning Back. Or you search for Moonlight. Then you download it. This is a very fantastic message. Message, you know, for this music in our past now. That is this message. That is the ezigbo inspiration. When I say inspiration about what is going on now, unu nanyi fe na-eme n'ugwu, una for that they are using our people in the north to know if we can turn back. But the level where IPOB have reached now, we have crossed the Rubicon. Anya gafego the Rubicon. That is to tell you that no more going back. We are not turning back. Anya de nanya nazu. Niru kainaga. Because forward ever, backward never. Greetings, my people. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Welcome to today's broadcast. Once again, if you are joining me for the first time, my name is MAP Ezioku Bundu, one in Biafra land. I greet you all. I greet you wherever you are watching me from. I greet you. I say, may the peace of the Lord be with you. This evening, I want to address the Fulani Caliphate destruction towards Igbo. You people, I released a video yesterday. And a video yesterday. That video. Kọwalụ maka ife ga-eme na nke na-eme. Gwunu maka ogbugbu egburu Deborah. The reasoning eji wee gbabaye ndị Igbo ọkụ. Gwunu na ha ga-akpa nkata in a way una ma water anything. Una ma that they have come for you. You will not suspect anything, but they will deal with you woto. They will deal with you mercilessly. Ndiba, today's topic is this. How many times will something happen to Ndi Igbo before we learn something from it? How many times will something happen to us? Ugboro one ka ife ga-eme anyị ka anyị mara ife. Ugboro one ka ife ga-eme anyị ka anyị wee mara ife. Last year, video. Bido na last year ka m na-eme video. Ịmalụ na ịbụ nwa afọ Biafra nọ na be anyị. Tụgharịa ma chigharịa bughachitewe ngwa ahịa gị. Bughachitebe ife ije eri nri n'ala Biafra. Nachietewe. Many of you did they for me? Oh, you are not educated. You go back to school. Have you seen it now? Obulo by education, obulo by English. Wisdom is not all about education. Wisdom is born natural, is follow come. Chineke kemu kenyem wisdom. Kenyem nne something anya, we know where the thing is leading us to. Now, emegom video ọtụtụ ugboro sindi ba anyị nọ n'ugwu na tabanu na anabatala unu die. Ha just use unu we develop or not. Now, unu fongu Deborah, ka Deborah nwụcha, the next thing achọba ndị Igbo, maybe vivie ndị Igbo. Baba property ndị Igbo, ọkụzube property ndị Igbo, mebeghị ihe niile. Na-ekwu ka na-ekwu nke Kano, bomb blast, bim, n'ebe na ụlọ akwụkwọ ebe ndị Biafra na-aba. Ụmụ anyị ka ha target, underage, innocent children. Aka na-ekwu na bomb blast, he bido zubo oshi yesterday na Kano. Today again, day fire nke abụlọzi na unu amahụ ndị tinyere the Fulani now bịa n'ogbo osisi building material mụnye ọkụ n'etiti ehihie na abụ wee jide ife ndị be anyị ji wee biri na obodo na Abuja wee gbaa anyị ọkụ. Na ka njuzi unu, ọ bụrụ na unu relocate that business na be anyị aka agba ọkụ mba. If I return back home, where will I start from? Now ọkụ agbago ngwa ahịa gị ka ebe ị ga-ebido from. Agwa m unu nkata unu na-afụ ndị ugwu enweghị ka ha bịa ka ha gwa gị na ha na-abịa ịnụsa IPOB ọgụ. Ndị ugwu amapụta gwa gị na ha na-anụsa Biafra nso ọgụ. Ife niile ahụ fu na-eme ndị Igbo si na ha da-agba ọsọ mmiri, na ha na-eche ka mmiri zobe mazue ha arụ bifo ha gbaba ọsọ. O bidogo unu afụrụ ihe unu fu mee na Abuja ntakịrị efu. Ọ dị ezigbo ọna ife a dị ọna na nke ka ya eme nke m kata hapa unu cheke video release yesterday. Gaa na my video yesterday ekwu m all these things ekwuche m yesterday, mana ụfọdụ bịa na the comment section bịa na-akpọ m iyi si m na mama ife m na-ekwu si m onye ka ibu ị ga-eji wee kwue itolugo okwu ikwu okwu ọna ị nọ na north ka ị ga-eji si ndị be anyị na ife dị ọna ga-eme. Ihe niile a nkwu ha nche niile abịago na mmezu. Agwa m unu ọ bụla iwu bụ na m ga-abụ prọfet, m ga-abụ onye amụma bifo m gagwa ihe ga-eme. Obodo anụnwa anyị nọ, ịbịa n'obodo oyibo ha na-akakuleti ahead. Ndị Igbo n'ugwu ka unu nọ, ndị Fulani abịago mụnye shop unu ọkụ, gbanye ọkụ billions of naira, millions of naira, thousands of naira, ha agbaghị ọkụ, no compensation. The question m chọrọ ịjụ gị na, how many times will something happen to you before you learn a lesson, before you learn from it? How many times? Ugboro one ka ife ga-eme gị. Unu n'anya ndị akwadogo ha kpago nkata chelu mụ na gị ka ebe uche ị na-eche ka ha bịa na Ọnịcha main market mụ ọkụ tanka. Ha chọọ ịbịa na Ọnịcha ha ga-etinye tanka alụtachi gị n'ofe elu break. Now can I watch this video? Let me play the video so that you can see it. I don't want to bring it here to avoid the Facebook being Facebook banned. Now let me show you the video. Let me play one of the voice of the videos so that you will now understand what is going on. Just a minute. Can shut out the video. No, somebody sent me my WhatsApp. Let me check my WhatsApp. What is my WhatsApp? Let me check and bring it. Just a minute. Kunu nafu because ndị be anyị si na ekwu mere okenye. Gee ntị. Not this one. Okay. Let's see.
Warehouse somebody. They go to plywood. They go to work to close to 1 billion now.
In Ania?
They go do hundreds of millions. Somebody na about.
They
go do hundreds of millions. Somebody na about. Carry your money, man, and outside of that. Carry your money, man, and outside of that.
On a question.
Go do billions of naira.
In a back.
Jesus Christ. So, hi, carry your money, man, and that.
On a back.
Carry your money, man, and that. Because
ọ na-ebekwa n'akwa. Ọ na-ajụ m ka ife ome ndị Hausa. Ị ga n'obodo mmadụ ị ga-azụ ahịa onye ahụ si gị na ọ chọrọ gị n'obodo ya. Ndị be nke gị na-agwa gị na Taba na ndị ahụ achọrọ gị. Nsị gị buru ngwa ahịa gị na Taba. Bịa na Anambra steeti. Anyị nwere ọhịa na-enwere ife eji eme. Ka ị na-abụ na-ebudete na afịa ahụ building material na be anyị. Bịa n'Ozubia. Bịa na be anyị na Ebonyi steeti. Bịa come to Iza. Biano Niza, Bianambo. We have many forests undeveloped. Gini medie. Ke ife pata nu naturally brata ngwa ahia there. Then nunu choose ino n'ugwu mbugu. unu abiye na-elekwa that the same building material unu a na-egokwu ya ọbụlọkwa ndị Hausa na-egi ya. How many ndị Hausa na-atụ ụlọ? How many ndị Hausa na-alụ mansion? The highest mansion ị ga-afụ na Abuja is owned by onye Igbo. Now, ị na-ajụ ka ife ime ndị Hausa, you committed a crime by leaving your land. As he commit a crime by ịhapụ ala nna gị ka ọhịa bulie gawa develop obodo onye ọzọ. That is a crime. Now, mgbe nna unu batara, you people tell me that you are one Nigeria. Why mgbe ha na-amụnye dị ọkụ na n'ala ụla ekechilu n'aka ka ifunu na-eme? Oh, what have you done to Fulani? Imalifi men ndị Fulani. Imalifi men ndị Fulani. Bịa n'ala Igbo today. Dangote is the richest man in the whole Africa, Chilongi, West Africa, in the whole Africa. And the Dangote is contesting among the richest men in the whole wide world. Go and check, you will see the name of Dangote there. Bịa n'ala Igbo, ala Biafra say, oh, you can never see Dangote company. Dangote nwere any company in Biafra land in ala Igbo. Okay, you are wiser than Dangote now. You are more educated than Dangote. You are professor. Dangote agalo school or Malife. Jụọ onwe gị ese ka ife kpata na Dangote enwelo company na ala Igbo because he don't believe in one Nigeria, because he don't trust an Igbo man, because he don't know he don't want to develop any Igbo man. Dangote prefer to buy 1,000 trailers to be transporting cement from the north to Ala Biafra. Dangote prefer to buy 2,000 trailers to be transporting tomato and all the materials he want to supply to Ndi Igbo. He will use his transportation to do that. Now, the question I want to ask you, Umuafi Igbo, ego ole ka na-ele trailer? Ego ole ka na-ele 911? Ego ole ka na-ele 18-seater? Gịnị na-abụ na-ebudetene ngwa ahịa unu n'ala Igbo? Onye ahụ chọrọ ya transfer unu ihe dị welu unu trailer na-ebugalụ na ya. Why can't you? That is a means of transportation and creation of job. It is wiser than Dangote na. Nnekwu na ị ga-afụ nwa na onye ogbi. Nna malo ne Chineke ji wee meti aka wee mụta ka esi type ihe. Ọ bịasị maazị ya passing hate speech. Ị ga-afụ nwa na idiot now. Apụtachi gị ya tribalism because no ọchọ ka ị perish in the north. You are crying, goose, what of million? Goose, what of billion? Do they invite you in the north? Do they invite you in the north? Didn't I warn you? Onama warn hunu. Before Aya Biafra, before Anobaya Biafra, Unama ndị Igbo, ife mberede, nabụlọ na agwala ọhịa agwa, Ojukwu nọ na-eti mkpu, na-asị ndị Igbo rapụnụ obodo ugwu na tabanụ n'anya na ndị anọrọsikwa na ife na-akwado ime, ife ike na-akwado ime. Mana unu si mba, unu ga-anọju, unu a ga-egola na ndị Fulani, unu a ga-edevelop ya, unu a ga-emepe shop, unu a ga na-egokwe n'ime onwe unu. Ọ bụrụ na ndị Fulani ka unu na-elechi data afịa, because ọ bụrụ na Fulani na-abịa egolu unu data afịa, isi na maka na Fulani na-abịa ego gị, then you stay in the north because of the Fulani, because they are patronizing you. But the worst part of it is that you are the one buying the goods by yourselves, between yourselves. Onye na-ele kenisi ya bịa golu gị building material wee lụọ ụlọ, ngị nwa na-ele building material ga-aga golie mkpụrụ ọgụ. So why can't both of you return home and do the same transaction in your own very land where you can have 100% right? Why? I am asking you. You want me to pity you? After all my messages, after all my warnings, after every time, look for here, my time, you don't pay attention to my voice, and they want me to pity you. I cannot pity you. I don't pity foolishness. Ignorance is not an excuse before the law. I warned you people. What does it take you to relocate your business? What does it take you to relocate your business in the east? In Biafra land? Do you people now realize the reason why we told you people that one Nigeria is a scam? One Nigeria is a crime against humanity. goods worth of billions of naira. Do you know how those people suffered to raise such amount? If you gabiga when with such amount, if you gabiga when raise such amount, maybe you are the breadwinner in your family. God just bless you with ilelalanagi. Then, instead of you to invest wisely, you rather choose to invest foolishly. What is happening to all of you is what you deserve. And well, I'm pity mind for you people. On Nakita, and when you tinye fundraising for any of those people, I will cause the person, because that is not a favor. You are wasting the Igbo's resources. One tinye go this in Anambra State. One day go na places like Oka North, Mbaku side. There is a lot of empty land. One day go Oyi local government. When they go to Anambra West, they go to Anambra South, there's a lot of empty land. When they go to Ayamelum local government, there's a lot of empty land. Keife Juni Buddha Tangwa Yunu to come and develop it and start doing the transaction with between yourselves. Onyugu, the what you are selling, Obuno di Onyugu mpa, Heme order. Order, then you use your transport to Ibugalo here. Dangote is a businessman. Each bag Dangote na tonata na ligo. Dangote na ele bag of cement o produce cost of one bag of cement. Ojilu 1,000 naira produce one. Dangote ga plus the transportation fee, everything what it take to transport it from the north to the east. Or that is why if you or let that bag of cement or gazetting a profit here, and when to transport one trailer will cost 1,000 naira, or divide there into how many bags in one trailer, or add the other here that transportation money inside that very one bag. Then or add is a profit here inside that thing. Then or because you made the calculation after comment the calculation. That one bag will spend the 1,000 naira to produce, or let's say get 2,000 naira. When they go profit here, when they go to transport, all get transport to that thing, but you are the one paying for the transportation. Business because I did business. Only be Igan of Abuja Tata. Most of the companies there are owned by Igbo. One day Kaipa go to Nebony. One day they go to Nonweke. And with development in Nonweke on Ebony State. One day they are easy. On any development in easy. One day they are Nisa. On any development. One day they are Namgo. One day they go to Ebony State as a whole. On any company on Ebony State. Do you know that by bringing those things in Abuja to the Ebonyi State, you have created job opportunity? The reason why Chinese is taking over Ebonyi is because no development, nothing. Because you people say that Ebonyi people are timid. Why won't us be timid? Because we have nothing to gain. We have no job. We cannot afford to pay school fees. Now, who will you blame? Somebody told me, somebody wrote here, say, my brother, it's not easy as you think. Yes, it's not easy as I think. Yes, of course. But now that the fire have consumed them, now that Fulani have consumed them, I think it is easy for him to come with a paper bag and be pushing wheelbarrow in Onitsha. And that one is more easy. It is more easy for you people to gather money and transport his corpse to be buried in Alibo. More easy. What is not easy? It's not easy. How do they develop it? Come to Lagos. Do you see how Igbo, the largest market in Lagos today, was built by Igbo people? And it's not easy. What have we done to Fulani? But you said you are one Nigeria. Why can't you defend yourself? Eh? Why can't you rise up? Fulani is burning. Look at, and a man is complaining.
They go to plywood. They go to work to close to 1 billion.
You are telling me, come and collect the money.
They go to hundreds of millions. Somebody They go to hundreds of millions. Somebody Get your money, man, that was out of that. Get your money, man, that was out of that. Because they go to billions of naira. Jesus Christ.
That is normal thing.
Hi, get your money, man, that
because one Nigeria, dividend of one Nigeria. Continue living in the north. Continue living in the north. Okay, do you people expect me to come here and be sympathizing with you people? I should drop my sympathy to you people, or is that what you people mean? So uno take him as foolish person before. I drop a video. How many videos have I made concerning these people living in the north? How many times have I dropped video? I warned you people before now. We are talking about Biafra restoration. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is suffering in DSS. Do you people know that you people hold the referendum in your own hand? The restoration of Biafra, do you people know that it's in your own hand? That any day you people say enough is enough. My people, let's go. Even if it's 1 month that you people relocate. Do you know that everything will be resolved under 1 month? Oh, it's not easy. Somebody say it's not easy. Now, between to relocate your goods and start the business, and it will shake your hand after 1 year, you will be growing, than to lose every of your goods and come back with empty-handed. The solution your elder brother Nebunkuna village, Biazobozan. Most of you people now, both the people that took loan to go, and let me be playing the voice so that you will see. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told you people. Last year, I made a video. I said that those of you who are in the north will be used as a sacrificial lamb. You people think we are joking. No more turning back. No more turning back. No more turning back. Forward ever. You hear it. We have crossed the Rubicon. If una like, may una cry blood. If una like, may una cry river.
Life in dead timber. Una
na fuck.
Man, I see fire. Outside people not finish Igbo for a year.
Oh no, Martin.
Man, I see fire. Man, I see fire. See how Igbo goods they spoil, they destroy. Man, I see my bag. Man, I see him. Man, I see him. We need Biafra. Man, I see him. We need Biafra. We need Biafra.
You are who need Biafra?
We need Biafra. Are you a madman? We need them. We need them. We need them.
You need waiting.
We need them. We need them. We need them. We need Biafra. Man, I see us.
Now, God realize you need Biafra. When our people are sitting at home, have you people bothered to sit at home? Have you people bothered to say, no, let us relocate? You need Biafra. What do you need Biafra for? No, you must stay one Nigeria. Now you have to enjoy this one Nigeria because this one Nigeria is very good in your bodies. Unu chena ndị IPOB na-egu egu. Unu chena ihe niile anyị na-ekwu here. Unu pụtara na-akpa anyị ndị ala, mad people. What we can see, you that are not mad person, you that are educated, you cannot see it. The question now, when the Fulani we are burning all those things, what were you people doing? Were you people sleeping? Do they tie your hands? Do they? Do they tie your people's hands? No, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is your problem, right? Or Mazi your problem? How many times will something happen to you before you learn? Ghana Igbo Tata. And when you go to a single shop, not even one shop na ala Biafra say ho. Do you think that they are stupid? You are more wiser than them. When you want to make mouth, if they interview the president of Ohanes and I, he will tell you that Igbo man remain the only people that are uniting Nigeria. Anyway, Igbo man go, he will buy the land and develop their bushes. Yes, you buy the land and develop their bushes. While your own house is bush, you cannot develop your own house. Is that not foolishness? Idilonzuzu. You need Biafra. Yes, you need Biafra. What have you done to achieve that Biafra? What sacrifice have you given out to achieve Biafra? Ndị be anyị nọ na East na-emechi door na-anwụ every day. And you people prefer to go about your business. Until all of you in the North die finish, you will never learn anything. Ọkụnada agbo so mmiri mo n'elu no mgbe ozobelu before na agbabia. Kita ọsọ ọkifu mmiri ọnwa n'elu ọ ga-amụ unu niile. Ọmụ bụ MAP eziokwu bụ ndụ amụtala m ka eji ete okwu ude. My problem bụ na I don't know how to pamper West. I don't know how to paint West for you to be happy with me. That is my problem, because I love saying that truth raw as it is, so that when you hear the truth, it will be paining you. You will be hearing it hard. I don't know how to lies like other people so that you will love them. Amalom case I lie. I don't know how to lie. I don't know how to tell you that this thing that I am seeing that is blue is black. I will tell you it's black. I don't know. I am not receiving call, but I will receive this call. Greetings from here.
Hello?
Turn down your listening device, please.
Greetings from my end.
Greetings from here. It's like those people are not serious. Please, if you are not serious, don't call my line. If you are residing in Abuja, if you are residing in the North, I want you to call in and tell me why you are still there. And tell me when these people are putting this fire, what were you people doing? Look at.
Happening life in there.
Just Nanya.
Man, I see fire. Outside people don't finish Igbo for a year.
I never see Shanshi.
Man, I see fire. Man, I see fire. See how Igbo destroy, they destroy. Man, I see on my bag. Man, I see.
Oh my God.
Man, I see. We need Biafra. Man, I see. We need Biafra. We need Biafra. We need Biafra. Man, I see. We need them. 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 We need Biafra. Man, I see us. Man, I see us.
Yeah.
Man, I see us. Man, I see.
No fire extinguishers. No fire service. So, what do you need Biafra for?
Hey! Hey!
Just
Hey!
another video.
Hey!
I hope people see. Ndị apịalụ daize ndị apịa ndị be anyị wo. Confirm. They are not of the same frequency with you. These people have told you people, you are not one Nigeria. They are not one with you. Grab one thing only Igbo can eche. Onwele ye putanda imakuye na target Igbo economy. These people are trying to render the whole Igbos in the North useless. And the Igbos in the North are the people helping them out. Igbos in the North are the people. I know many broadcasters this evening, all those Gumi children and Gumi headquarters, will come today and be telling you sweet lie. We will burn down this. We will not burn anything. Those in the North should carry their cross because we have already used them as a sacrificial lamb. Those in the North should carry their cross. In alone or not, carry your cross. Because you have been used as a sacrificial. You cannot stop Biafra. Those in the North cannot stop Biafra. Go and tell them that if they like, let them kill all of now. That will not make us to stop agitating for Biafra restoration. That will not make us to stop what we are doing. That will not make us to look back. Because we warn you people. You people were warned from onset, from beginning. We warned you people. We warned you, come back home. We have empty land, undeveloped. come and develop our land. You said no. In a fisi paka paka, kefi ne nwele ododo. Ne fisi paka paka, imakwanda ibu. Millions of naira. Now, I watch and see. If you will see, we have a caller here. Hi, sister, welcome to the program.
Good evening from here. How are you?
I'm fine, as you can see.
Yeah. Such a pity anyway. Did you listen to Mazi Jonathan's program, is it 2 days ago or yesterday? I don't know whether you listened when he was playing a voice of this Hausa man talking, making cajole of Igbo, that he was just quantifying the difference between us and the family or whosoever, that the property, he was just making mockery of Igbos. Like the way we go to someone in a part of land and start developing the land. Then he was saying the people in the East, their own people in the East, what are they doing?
Okay.
Either they are shoemakers or they are barrow pushers or they are whatever, that they don't have access and they don't build anything in the eastern side and all this stuff. We should accept that we are losers. We should accept that we are fools. I am telling you, because anywhere we go, you see us developing the place, doing one Nigeria of a thing. They try to make the place go to Lagos, Nalaba, or whatever. You see Igbo Ladipo everywhere. You go to Abuja, it's Igbo everywhere. You go to Kanu everywhere. You go to Kaduna, it's Igbo everywhere. The man was making mockery of Igbos. Then what I'm saying, irrespective of far distance, the prodigal son, when the prodigal son understood that what he was doing was the wrong thing, he didn't stay there until he died totally.
Exactly.
He should accept that whatever he has done is wrong and come back home. So we are telling our people to come back home, irrespective of how foolish we are. This afternoon, Chineke was making a program, and somebody was talking about English language.
Okay.
And I see Chineke saying that person is not a Biafra, that person is a Biafra because we are stupid. Like even as we are in this English area, you see Chinese people that are speaking their own Chinese. You see India, their children are speaking India. You see the Yorubas that are speaking Yoruba. But our Igbo people, you see us speaking rubbish English, which we don't even know how to speak. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Speaking tautology like me.
Sorry?
I said we love speaking tautology.
Exactly. So, you see, that person that said that in the Chineke program is not a Fulani person, it's an Igbo person. Because we are so useless, including me. We are so I don't know how to describe us. I am telling you the truth. But what I'm saying, if we start changing today, it will be better for us. Now, I saw when you are playing a program and somebody said we need a Biafra. This is the starting point. Because at the end of the day, Mazen and the Kanu say he should come back home. They thought he was joking. Because he has foreseen what is going to happen. He has foreseen that a day like this is going to happen. Like we rightly said, Deborah is an Igbo person. None of the parents is an Igbo. The father is a Niger and the mother is a Yoruba. What concerns Igbo concerns Deborah. But it's Igbo that is paying the highest price. They born Sokoto, Igbo area. They went to Kanu to born Kanu. Today they burn Abuja, and you get one. So they will continue burning because they know that we are useless. We are useless, including me. So nobody should be angry with that. We are useless. Sorry to say that we are. You have to accept it because when you accept that what you are doing is not right, then you'll be able to make a change. If you cannot accept that what you are doing is wrong, you can never make a change. So it's time for us to go home. Every one of us should buckle up and put an impact in what we are doing. Put impact in what we are doing and come back home. There are a lot of it because we are very talented. If we go back to it, they will find a way. Even that property they're looking for, they can't maintain it there because they're animals. They live in bushes. They live in bushes. They cannot maintain the property because a property, if you don't maintain it within a year or 2 years or 3 years, it will fall down. They are animals because they can't maintain it. So we need to come back home and build Eastern Park, and people will start buying something from Eastern Park. That is what I'm saying. And leave that side for them. Let's see how they're going to handle it. And let's see how their economy is going to be progressive. Let's see how they're going to make way forward. Let us see. So thank you very much, Map. What I'm saying that we recognize today that we are prodigal sons and daughters. It will be easier for us to make a change and make a way forward. Thank you, Biafran. You are living in Abuja. It's time for you to come back home. Sokoto, northern part of Nigeria. Because if you don't start coming back, I saw a script where they say Obi of Furniture is calling up Biafran, all the Igbo people to come back home. So if you sit down there, there's a time you will not even find a way to come back home. That is the problem. The earlier I start making a way forward to come back home, it's better for all of us. Thank you, Mark, for this evening. Thank you, and for allowing me for contributing to this program. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful contribution. Thank you, Mechukwokikabiama. Bless you. Now, let me tell you, like one person right here, he said, this is a very good news for our elders in Igbo land, Christian leaders, Igwes, politicians, and the governors, because these are people of one Nigeria, and the 2023 interests matter. Shame to all of them. Today, Fulani are born Igbo properties in the north. Tomorrow, Christian can will come and say, let us pray for your one Nigeria. Very useless people on earth. Shame to all of you. Let me be honest with you. I love it because ndị be is na ijiji ntị ike na-eso ozi ana n'ini. Ụkpana okpoko gburu bụ ntị chiri ya. Ọ bụ o jogburu de n'esigbo nkakwụ na onye Igbo na-ekele m na nya ma ihe. Ịpụtị na-asụ okpokpo English. Hey, you don't know how to speak English. Go back to primary school. As if na na-achị school again, na ngeje more English. And my yala, English is my language. So uche gị na-agwa gị na no nwere ihe meketeke ọ na ndị ka ọ bụrụ English, how to speak simple and correct English. Ya bụ my problem today in this 22nd century. God forbid. Ihe niile bụ ịga mmụọ, nga akwụkwọ, nga mata brain, mata knowledge. Have a caller here. Welcome to the program. Tell us your name and where you are calling from.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening from here. We are on a live program.
Okay. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I said you are on a live program.
Okay. Okay. So how are you doing? I hope everything is okay.
You can call me later, please.
Okay.
When you see that I am on air, please, if you want to greet me, don't come and call me when I am on a live program, because it's not good at all. It's not encouraging. It's not advisable. Now, who are you? You know, the problem of an Igbo man is an Igbo man. We have a caller here. Welcome to the program, Marianne.
Yeah, Mazi. Good afternoon. I love you. My name is Marian Head. My name's Aberan Head. I'm listening to what you're showing, and you're so rightly correct, and everyone that made contributions so far. This is what I have to tell our people. One, this is the beginning of it. This we are not going to let off, okay? This has been in the pipeline coming. So they want to muzzle our economy because the Igbos have been priding themselves. And this is the thing they must know, or some of us have been saying. You can make all the money you want, but one single stroke of a government policy will destroy your economy, that money you're making. Now, all these things have been raging since last week. Deborah was killed. Like you said, Deborah, none of the parents are from Igbo, not even from Biafra. Okay, let's get it right. None of the parents are from Biafra. But now the Biafrans, especially the Igbos, are paying the price. How many, apart from one Catholic priest, I saw this thing, I think you showcased it too, where you said, he said what he said were eloquent, good, and they are not good enough. I agree with you. Where are the Ohanes in Igbo? Have they risen up to condemn anything? Have they even made any speech? They've all gone back into their cocoons. These are the same people. If it was a Fulani cow that was killed, the Ohaneses, the Igbo governors, all the Biafran governors would have risen up, all the Christians would have risen, Christian leaders would have risen up to begin to talk nonsense. When you insult them, people say you're insulting them. This is their own people going through this stress, which of course these people created the stress for themselves because they have been, the drum beat have been going for them to come home. They don't want to come home. I want to give them an advice because this is the argument some of these traders make. Oh, we have to take the business where the people are. No, you don't have to. Let me give them this free advice. They travel to China to buy things because that is where what they need, what the things they need are. Let them come back home. Develop their businesses, their market, whatever. Build up Biafran land to be, especially Igbo speaking, Biafran land to be a West African international market where everybody, every West African that need those things will find them in that, whether it's Newi or whether it is Abakaliki or whether it's Umunoha, whether it's Olu. Let them strategize themselves. If Olu is going to be known for timber, let it be timber. If Abakaliki is going to be known for electronics, let it be electronics. All those markets, Alaba is known for electronics, whatever. You move them, develop them. This is what we have been crying. Somebody like Mazin and I have been crying. We have something like Onitsha, water, Niger, that would have been dredged to become a seaport, whether it's a local seaport or whatever. The Fulanis, they know what I've been doing. Ask yourself, why do we not have any federal presence in the Biafran land? It is systematically programmed so that none of the, when they will use our oil money to be developing the north at the fullness of time, when this oil thing, because it's going to come to an end, or when they have finished with it, they will just go. These Nigerians have, these outsiders and Fulanis have no intention of being one Nigeria. They have not been preaching it. We are the ones, that so-called Ohanes are the ones preaching one Nigeria. These people have no intention. The only thing holding them is the money they are drawing from the eastern part to be developing in their own place. No single federal presence in the Biafran land. Ask yourself why. It's intentional. What am I saying? Let them bring back their skill, their business, and come back home. They should not be afraid. Highest, like you said, want to give it 5 years. In America, where I am, when you start a business, the government gives you 5 years tax break. That is, if you don't file your taxes, government is not coming after you because they know it takes time for a new business to stand. So let them give themselves 3-5 years to establish these new businesses. Because the principle, or one of the principles of demand and supply is this. Wherever the supply is, that is where you go find the supply. Our people should stop taking their talent to people who don't deserve it. No matter how much the Bible said, give a pearl to your swine, it will go to the gutter. These guys are swines. It doesn't matter how much you try to work with them. It doesn't matter how much you try to develop their place. At the end of the day, they will take them to the gutter. They don't understand the value. They don't care. They don't give a shit. Like you ask our people, the drumbeat has been going. If you must stay in the north, get yourself equipped. Prepare yourself. This rain is coming to fall. Now, these miscreants, these idiots, these chihuahuas were going everywhere, burning their places. None of them had even an acid to pour on them. None of these men that are coming out now asking they need Biafra had even a machete to attack this bastard, had even a gun, because if these people had come in and got some resistance, they would have been repelled. But they are running, looking for who do they want to come and save them? Nandi, that is their Ohanese and co sold and put in detention. Is he the one that's coming to? They're calling for Biafra now. Like somebody, I think it was you. When was the last time sit at home was called and they sat at home? Even today night is going to court in Abuja. How many of them shut down their stores? They are looking for Biafra now. How many of them have done anything to support the Biafran agitation? Rather, they are the ones that are sabotaging it, thinking of one Nigeria. So you cannot sow an okra and expect to reap corn. It's never done anywhere. So if they want, it's not late, because what is coming is going to be worse. Let them bring their skills back home. Anybody in Nigeria that wants what we want, let them come and look for us. Just like they go to China. The Chinese are not bringing their goods to us. We are going to China, we are going to Japan, we are going all over the world to scavenge and get these goods. Let Nigeria, let Biafran land be the hub. Let it be the hub of African businesses. We can do it. We are known for doing good, big, great things, hard things. We got the talent. Let's utilize them, but let's come home and do them. Thank you for allowing me to speak, my brother. Keep up the good work. God bless you. I'm glad that you're back in full truck.
Thank you, and remain blessed. Now, as we are saying this, we have somebody, Nana Adiele, and he wrote, "You are talking rubbish. What do you mean by saying you have used Igbos in the north as a sacrifice? Do you think you are safe over there? If I come back to East today, can you contribute anything for me to start any business? I am not against the Biafran race. You are nobody to use anybody, Igbo, as a sacrifice." My brother, now let me tell you how to use you as a sacrifice. Let me show you, in case you don't know, because you are educated Mugu, educated moron. Let me show you this video again. It's like you didn't watch it, but because you go school but you don't know anything. Let me show you what sacrifice is all about. Are you seeing it?
Close to 1 billion now.
This is the part of the sacrifice.
Hundreds of millions, hundreds of millions, Jesus Christ.
Good. I hope you see that. Now, let me tell you. When this man that is crying now, all the goods have born, I believe he will come back home. Who will not contribute to him? Nobody, because I will not contribute. Now, when they ask you to relocate, if those people who own those goods relocate back home, do they need my contribution? The answer is no. What they need is to withdraw some of the money they installed in the bank, rent a shop in the east, and bring back their goods and start a living. Nana, are you not getting it? At that point, you don't need my contribution. Now, you say you will not come back. You will stay in the north. Now they have born your goose and they kill you. Who are you doing? Am I the person who lose? No. I am Mazi Achebepo. I reside in Europe and every of my investments are in the East. Here in Europe, I don't have any investment here. I invest in the East because I know any day can be a good money. They can throw you like Balotelli. Hey, go back to where you come from. Here is not my land. I am not an indigenous person of Italy. I am not part and parcel of, I am not son of the soil of Italy. So your sense now, I hope I am bringing your sense back. When I say relocate, you have to relocate with your goose. You have to relocate with your money. I am not asking you to abandon your goose in the north and carry empty hand like a madman back to the east. But if you refuse, like you think you are wise, and you say I cannot use you. Now, what I mean by you people have been used for a sacrifice is that when it will start, your goose and your children will be killed. Let me, in case you forgot, what happened to Sokoto? I mean, what happened in Sokoto a few days back? What? I hope you watch it. When they are looting and they destroying Igbo goose in Sokoto. Is that not sacrifice? Have your people not been used as a sacrifice, as I said? Now, what happened in the north, in the Kaduna, when the Fulani throw bomb inside school, what does that tell you? That is a part of the sacrifice. You know, when many of you hear language, because you are empty in your head, say as the man wear suit like who they reject, who they want go swear for Ogugu. What happened in Kano when they throw bomb and in a church? Which children do that bomb meet? Are they my children? Have you heard that Maza Chebe's poor children are in the north? Or do you hear that any of my relatives are residing in the north? One of my in-law who reside in the north returned from the north in 2009. I said 2009 is when we ordered him with his family to return. They are doing well in Anambra today. They are doing well there. They return with their goose. Now, what make you think that you are wise? You think that you are more wiser than the Fulani? The Fulani are 7 steps ahead of you, all of you in the north. The Fulani are 7 steps ahead of all of you. The most intelligent Igbo man in the north is the most foolish Fulani. Is in the same class of foolish Fulani. See the man here, he is talking rubbish. Let me play you the video I made yesterday, and let me play you the video. I know many of you have watched the video. I know that this thing will happen, and I said it. Let me, where is the video? Let me bring it. Let me bring the video, and you will hear when I stated everything. But out of your stupidity, the same way this man is thinking now, that is the same way many of them we are thinking. Listen to this very broadcast.
Biko, ozi a na-ezi dị oke mkpa. Ihe njụ esi ka nsụ anya n'asụsụ be anyị bụ maka na ndị be anyị ka na-ezigali. Ọ bụ na tata bụ izi na afụmọmụ ahụ Maazị Achebe Paul MAP eziokwu bụ ndụ nke mbụ na mbụ na Biafra land. Amalụ m ka eji apampa okwu ete okwu ude enebe mbata ngwa gị okwu ka ọ dị. Ihe nji ekwu ka ọ dị bụ ka iwe malụ na ka ọ dị. Ọ dị gị mma iwere ọ bụrụ na ọ dịrọ gị mma ịhapịa. Maka na ọtụtụ ife emego. ozi m chọrọ ịbịa zigalụ ndị be anyị n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ maka ife na-eme na mgbago ugwu. Ife a na-eme na mgbago ugwu unu na-afụ, ihe a bụ ihe ndị oyibo na-akpọ retaliation. Ndị ugwu na-retaleti.
Ritornata la Ringo Limited Edition più incredibile di sempre. Con Ringo vinci.
Just a minute, I'm coming.
Niile ọ dị fa ka omee na ndịda anyanwụ mba ala Biafra. Kedu ife a na-retaleti? Unu n'anya unu afụ na IPOB bandụrụ anything befi ndị Fulani maka na ha nwa na-agbanye ọbala mmadụ n'ime mbụ ha na-edi na-efi. Anyị wee sị mba na ya ma ji ọnụ ego anyị na ọnụ anyị wee rite ọnwụ, anyị wee bandụ ọnya. Now iji gwa gị na ndị a the wise mala ife karịa ndị politicians na-echekwata ọwụwa anyanwụ, ha wee nọrọ anị wee kpaa nkata kedu ka ha ga-eji wee retaliate ife niile ọ dị ha ka emefa na ala Biafra. Ha kpacha nkata, ha malụ na ha pụta bịa mee attack openly in retaliation. The world will condemn them and onweghị onye ga-asa ya, ha ga-eluzu woefully. Ha wee nọrọ anị wee kpazie nkata kedu ka ha ga-eji wee retaliate ọ na-eye ebe ha mechie the thing. Uche gị nwa amadị ya, uche m amadị ya, anya ma nwe sense wee cheke ihe abụkwa na retaliation. Ha kpachago nkata, ha chọbazie onye ga-ebido aka. Unu n'anya ọnwụ Deborah Samuel nke ha ji okwute wee tugbuo ma mụnye ọkụ. Deborah Samuel mpịa bụ onye Niger steeti, onye ugwu, mmịa bụ onye Yoruba. Ọ gbasara ndị Igbo mana unu na-egekwa ntị. Kịtịkịtị ewere okwute tugbuo onye. Kịtịkịtị achị gị na-eme ngagharị iwe, ha na-eme protest, ebido mụba ife ndị Igbo ọkụ, gbaba ndị Igbo lutube zube oshi na shop ndị Igbo. Kedu ife a na-egosi gị? Ya bụ retaliation. Enwere okwu uche gị gbana ya retaliation. Befe mara ihe na-eme, achọwago ndị Igbo ka egbuo, amụnyewego shop ndị Igbo ọkụ, ha nụsawago ndị Igbo ọgwụ. Ịjụọ ha na ha sị gị na-eme protest na ha bụ Deborah. Ifunu ga ebe mmadụ gbu mmadụ na-emekwa protest tinyere, mana ndị be anya ma awọtịa maka na ha kpa nkata anụwa n'ụdị ndị be anya ma awọtịa. A na-ekwu ka na-ekwu nke a na-aga wowowa na-ada ebe niile gidigirigidi ka ife mere again. Ewuru bọmbụ ga tinye na Winner School. Ke ndị na-aga that Winner School, ke ndị bi na Kano, ọwụ ndị Igbo bi na Kano na-eme ihe dị a. Ọ ndị Igbo ga-etinye ụmụ ha dị, ọwụkwa ndị Biafra ihe ju dị, bọmbụ ahụ ada ke ndị ha gbukwa ndị Biafra. Ihe jụọ ha ịfụ ihe na-eme. Vanguard newspaper report gwa gị na ofu onye bịa welu bọmbụ ahụ tinye ma gbuo onwe egbukwo ndị ọzọ tinye. Mana immediately ha report karịa, ha kpọọ ha na phone si ya ngwa wepụ ya, ha sizie gị na cylinder gas. Na ọwụ cylinder gas mere all those things. Essentially ịjụ gị bụ ka cylinder explosion m ga-eji wee butuo ụlọ full building wee kpamkpamkpa niile na ụnụfụ ka o dị ka anyị cylinder dị ya ahụ. Ọ gbara ọkụ ọ bụrụ na o nwere ọkụ wee gbaba ọkụ n'okpum. Ihe kata ha kpara ya, ha retaliate go ihe a ka a na-akpọ retaliation, proper retaliation. Aka na-ekwu na ihe ahụ mee gịnị ka ha mere again? Ha ebidokwa again zubakwa ngwaahịa ndị Igbo na ụsaba ndị Igbo ọgwụ. O nwere onye ga-echeketa echiche wee malụ na ihe ahụ retaliation. Ha na-retaliate maka na ha enwere ozi ike igbu efi ha wee bịa n'ala Igbo. Mana gịnị mere? Gịnị kọsịrị ihe niile a? Ihe kọsịrị ya bụ na ndị be anyị bụ ndị ntị ike. Ndị be anyị sị gị na ha da-agba ọsọ mmiri, na ha na-eche ka mmiri zoo masuo ha arụ before ha gbaba ọsọ. Ọ ife ga-emefa n'ugwu. Nke ụnụfụ bụ just testing. Ha just na warm up n'ife ka ya eme n'ọdịnihu. Ife ka ga-eme n'ọdịnihu kali. Ndị akpachago nkata. enwelo ka efu ka ha pụtasị gị na ha na-retaliate direct to anything IPOB na-eme. Ha ga-ewopie from IPOB, mana ife niile ha ga na-eme, ha ga na-ataget ndị be anyị nọ n'ugwu. Nyanwa ka nji ohere a wee na-akpọ ndị be anyị nọ n'ugwu na tabanụ maka ife mme bifo anụ agha Biafra ka ọ yara ime unu. Ife mme mgbe a na-anụkwa agha Biafra ka ọ yara ime unu. Ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu si na ekwu ya ekwu mere okenye ma ekwuba anụ ya anụ mere nwata. Agwago m unu ka m si agị unu. Ndị akpachago nkata dosiela anyị. Ihe fa na-eche na bụ anything mee na Biafra land, ha ewere ofu ihe ha ma apụta, ha ga-eji ivunu onye Hausa na onye Hausa ibie nnụọ ọgụ wee nwụọ, ha ga-ebido riot ya wee gbaba ife ndị Igbo ọkụ. Anything mekwala n'ugwu kịta, anything wu protest against ndị Igbo, ihe a bụ nkata ha kpa. Ihe nji agwa gị ife a bụ ka ị ghara isi na ịmalọ, ka ị ghara isi na inwelọ dị idea na ịmalọ n'ife a ka ha na-abịa. Ọlụ m ịgwa gị ndị be anyị si na izie m ozi m ga-azi eze na aga m eje na isi m ga-aje ebute eze n'isi na mama aga. Ezigo m unu ozi ahụ asị m ozi unu. Ọsọ unu welu unu ile unu wee gwa eze unu ọnụ. Unu like ya unu si okwube ka o si ekwu, anyị adịla interested, we are one Nigeria. Asịla nga bụ na one Nigeria, mana ị bụrụ one Nigeria emekwana video shim because they are killing you because you are Igbo. Don't try that. Unu n'anya ife niile a na-eme kịta, ebe obi ha ncha niile edebu n'ebe ndị Igbo nọ, eme ga-eji wee gbu unu ka ha na-egbu unu, ka ha na-egbu ụmụazị. Na-ewe ede ọkụ n'ime skuul, ha si gị nọ silinda, ka ihe gbasata silinda na skuul, ka ekoji wee bụrụ na skuul. Ndị be anyị ndị akpago nkata, ndị a dị very wise. The Fulani ha dị wise maka na Britain na-akpalụ ha nkata. Ọ bụla ha nwa ji aka ha akpa nkata ahụ, ọ ndị Britain na-akpalụ ha nkata. And onye nwa akpata na ọ dịfiọrọ arụ ka unu dikoduo bịa nkata. Nyanwa ka ọ ji wee bụrụ ọlụ mmụọ ịbịa kọwalụ unu nkata a na-akpa. Akọwago olu m unu. And ọ bụ na ọ ga-ekwu unu malụ na ife ngwalụ unu bụ 100% ka ọ dị. Ndị abịago ife ga na-anụ kịta bụ bọmbụ ga na-ada ebe niile, riot a ga na-egbu mmadụ kina. From now on unu ga na-anụ ụdị ya. Onye ka nọlụ n'ugwo nọlụ onwe ya dị. Ndị akpachago nkata. Anything ọnwụ Deborah bụ retaliation.
No need of
Bomb blast na Kano bụ retaliation. Unu afụ na ha ncha niile bụ nke ọbụla eme atagetiwe ndị Igbo na atụ bọmbụ na bọmbụ da ka eko ji wee gbasta anyị.
Ifria ọmụa pass this message mana unegemunti unafri ihe niile angwala unu unafria ihe ji wepụle because na-ekwie enebe na-ekwie ịga na comment section ebe post that video na ihe ga na-afụ die illiterate go back to primary school, illiterate go back to nursery 1. Gbasitakwana m ezige m ozi kita now. Adism called the wise, the educated one need to come and learn from illiterate abi. Obulo by English. English is not education. But our people are malona. On this note, before Ngabaniru can we better our brother Mazi Ebube. Welcome to the program. Unmute yourself. Mazi Ebube, are you there?
Yeah.
Turn down the listening device, please. Do you want to say something or you come to just to sit down?
Oh.
Mazi Ebube.
Mazi Paul, ị na-anụ ife m na-ekwu?
Anụago m ihe na-ekwu kịta. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Unu m na-apụta?
Onu gị na-apụta now. Go ahead, introduce yourself and tell us where you are calling from.
Okay. Abụ m Mazi Ebube. Esi m ala Biafra kpọ. Biko Mazi Paul, ewe n'iwe. Na mbụ ekenere m gị ọfụma na nnukwu ọmarịcha ọrụ ị na-alụ. Ọ dịghị izi ịgacha ọrụ niile anyị aga bịakwa nwa oge maka anyị nwa ife ị na-alụ amaka. Onye nwe anyị ya agbaghị ume gaa n'iru nwoke ọma. Doo m chọrọ ịyọ ayịyọ ga-ewekwa n'iwe ife m chọrọ ikwu kịta agbasahọrọ program ị na-eme, mana mụnwa oge m gechara this thing yesterday, o nwere one guy a na-akpọ Avis, ọ dị obere ọcha ama dị ka ọ na Germany ka ọ nọ. That useless bastard nwere God ịbịa na-akparị our media warriors, na-akpọ ha ọtụtụ afa, even o mention afa ebe ahụ amaghị m na ige gị wee na-ekwe Simon Ekperima na ya na-edonate 1000 euros ọ ya eji wee je gba ndị BBC akwụkwọ, were na-akọzi media warriors IPOB ọnụ na all this why na ọkịta ka ha kwesịrị ime ife dị good wo every time Achebe Ikenga Metusela ha pụta Ekperima. That useless idiot raised a lot of insult against our media warrior. And no nya ka m fụrụ n'in online kịta ka m batara na online wee sị na ọ ya mma ka m si ebe anụ adreesị anya then ọ bụkwazịrị na emesie n'ihe eje ga enya bụ ife ị ga-enyo nwere ife ya asị ya ọ dị mkpa na a gwara anụ ọfịa ahụ ukwu. O chefuo na ụbọchị ndị BBC kọ eriri ife ha kọ eriri na nna anyị ukwu apụtana bụ Maazị Chinasa Nworu wee gwa ndị BBC ha chebiri anyị na kọt. So ịpụta bịa na-akparị ndị media warriors anyị na-ene anya na ha ikwu ife kwesịrị ikwu ọ na ha je gbazie akwụkwọ na ikpe ma. Last time I checked, that useless bastard abụghị na ikpe member and ọ sịrị na isi register. So ka ezite gbasara ya n'ife anyị na-eme, ọ sị na media warriors anyị jụrụ ikwu maka ife anyị eme na EU na protest a na-eje na EU 2 days na onweghị onye na-ekwu maka ya n'ife no because na ha ekwu maka ya na ya nwa adịghị interest, ya nwa amaghọ maka ya. Na nkịta ọ maazị maka ya o pikubekwa interest ịga. So ife m na-agwa onye ọbụla bụ onye fụrụ anụ ọfịa ahụ ebe ọ pụtara biko okwu again has to hit him hard. Biko ọ bụrụ na emezie mma like je ga enya o nwere ife ya asa anụ ọfịa ahụ ịsa anya. So aka m nọkwa ebe anụnwa
Maazị enwela m ihe nwere ike ịsa because the guy is inconsequential. Ịma na one thing ga-agwa gị bụ na all those riffraff in anya Elvis is somebody go program with all the good in bringing idea, but he is extraordinary stupid. Why in you saying all the extraordinary stupid now? All galolu na ebo na alu na Germany. Iyo no nya bu one oburu ka eso ya na normal language. Iyo na alu vigilante. Man e biazie n'obodo a since vigilante ya dem exist ya na akpia local police. So maka na ọ nọ n'ọlụ vigilante na Germany. Mgbọsị agwa m ya na program ya na ihe ọ na-alụ vigilante ọ sị m na enwere local police na Europe nchiwaọchị chichaọchị uche bụ na Germany dị iche na Italy ọmalụ na Europe ka anyị niile nọ. So that boy na-afụ na o nwere sikọsikọ na brain ezula ezu. So onye ọbụla efu brain ya na-ezula ezu ị ga na-afọ na-akọ oge na-eme itinye that boy na akaụntụ ya. To be honest, onye enwelulo 2,000 euros na akaụntụ ya. So onye na-enwelulo 2,000 euro ka eko ga-eji wee nye mmadụ 1,000 euro. Ọ ife ị ga-ajụgodo onwe gị bifo ị ga-enye mmadụ ego ị ga-enwegodo at least ị ga-eliju n'afọ na onye ụbịam ada azụ ma ọkachie ọkụghọta ụbịam onye ofu ụkwa nala aza akwa akwụlụ. So o nwere ihe ndị be anyị na-akpa amasị ka ya bụrụkwa na ekwuru okwu. Elvis enwere up to 2,000 euro na akaụntụ ya. So ka ebe ọ ga-eji wee nweta ego wee nya na onwe ya as a human being ọ na-afọ BBC ọ mara ebe court dị as a uniform man ọ si na ọ bụ ọ na nnọkịta ịma one thing of me ọ bụ na m bụ lawyer like Egumi dey claim na ọ bụ lawyer I don't need to go call another lawyer. I will sue you with my chamber. Ọ bụ na Elvis ma his left from right only ije nyewe Gumi 1,000. Germany there was many courts, different courts. Take the matter there, sue them. Omua the first person in report to IPOB to in Italy here to email IPOB to Ebatana media. The first journalist in IPOB in Italy, got check here on my record. A needle national coordinator can get near 1,000. And a telemuijational coordinator near 2 million. I did all those things with my money and I publish it. So, Abu Navis, the educated, like some of them in Anya, all those people, and then they're number one, they are not an IPOB. Number two, they know nothing about IPOB. Number three, they need action without involving themselves. So I challenge Elvis. Abu no woman enough knows who came. He let him abandon the Love is a Great all platform created by Mayor Chris. I'll go on his own platform. If you go to Koshiaga, then let him do one or two things to create awareness. Obuli dulu nwanyi Jamaica nenye giri potana ezuzu ya na social media. Okwata, anya gafe go that level. Obun mu amabia treat where issue of Elvis and all of that level, he bring my platform down. Ndị na-treat issue about people ndị dịka agama lizard gumi of idu. The agama lizard gumi of idu. Important treat here, man, you are treating the issue of agama lizard. Then ndị dịka Mazinelli, the hen in the fowl, then you treat them. You want to makana na told those people na program that time. Hachena had go relevant. Who know them? Biafra unit, Maza Chebepo, Buputeche, those people thinking that they have something to offer, including Odnikema Chineke. Nobody knows those people in Biafra struggle. Go and check their history. People, so people like that exist. So Elvis is in one village in Germany, or not in a city. Now, Lolu, even self-contract, or Diablo life contract, or blood normal contract, no. Kiamata, that is it. Any day available, they will call you. If your work is not available, they will not call you. Or you can get you or Megana rent in Germany. So I cannot treat all those issues. Online, we put my full time. He treat Elvis as what one? I'm Palito IPOB Media Warrior. On will any IPOB Media Warrior and Elvis in none at the same class. So why would I treat him? I confront him and I will one program. The whole question in Nigeria, if you know make a miri. In my one thing, I told people in this life, there are people who are good in bringing out good suggestions, but they don't have what it takes to implement it. When you check the Agama Lizard group, aka Gumi of Idu, you will see that they know that Mazi have said the ideas on how Biafra will be restored. They know that these people are incompetent, they cannot implement any of them. They will not be telling you, we want this, we want that. Without IPOB leadership, can you achieve that? I want you to ask Elvis, what happened to economic sanction that we have preached for how many years? And what happened to Friday, Sunday sit at home that were initiated by the Agama Lizard? What happened to it? So those are inconsequential. I cannot treat Elvis here. He's too small. He is too little. Even in running show in Europe here, he is too little. Even Epins on your Okuna, Elvis guys on Yoko there. Ojao Obodo. And what is an Elvis Ejila Germany? Okay, well idea. Ojila Obodo on illegal Lebanon now. He can be deported at any time. Onye nwaanyị na-azụ nri na-ewetelu IPOB Media Warriors ọnụ. Metusela ka ọ ga-ewetelu ọnụ, ka ọmụnwa ka ọ ga-ewetelu ọnụ, ka Ikenga, ugwu ka Achalugo, kwu. Jabini anọ ka nwa Igbo agbalanze nọ, ebe nwa Igbo agbalanze kwuru okwu oge kwu okwu die. Those people are inconsequential. I wetezi no those non-entities na my platform. If onye na-eme ile ka ngwele anwụ gba, iche no ma ihe. All these people are, that is when you okay for this angulo na nearly lonely, smoking with empty stomach are the cause of all those things. So when they smoke without eating, the result is what you are seeing on social media from them. Asking where was him when IPOB Media Warriors were fighting from day one? Where was him? And asking when Mazin Amkan was not kidnapped, Why didn't he register with IPOB? Why, since he knows everything, when Mazin Namdekan was not kidnapped, why is he not paying monthly dues? Why is he not attending IPOB meeting? And if he can be able to give you answers to those questions, you will know that he has something to offer. But I can challenge you anywhere. He cannot give you any tangible reason why he failed to identify with IPOB family. And they want me to treat somebody like that in my program. No, I can't try that.
When I not because it didn't know the country for.
You have done well, but many people want to be relevant in this in the absence of Mazin Namdekan. Everybody wants to be leader. In the absence of Mazin Namdekan, you saw a debate between me and the Kemma, the one that called himself for the Kemma. Can you tell me the rules and regulation of IPOB? You start narrating how you went and you requested for oath taking and they deny you. Is that a rule and regulation? These are the group of AVs. So such people now, all those people, I gather them, I put them in a madman group, Mkpurumiri group. So those people now, tomorrow night you will see AVs with Odikema having program, and you think there is a group having program. No, before I used to hold program with them. I was thinking that they have something to offer until I realized that all these people are in another mission. Now, the question I want to ask you is, when you send the Gumi of Idu, the Agama lizard of Idu, the 1,000 euro, knowing fully well that he is a fake Agboro lawyer, according to Nelly, and he's a fake human being. Now, which name will they use to sue BBC? And when they want to sign, who will they say that these people sign? Would they use the name of Autopilot, or would they use the name of IPOB? Who authorized them? On which person's consent can you use to sue anyone? If Elvis is educated as he claims, he will know that you cannot sue any person with the name of IPOB without the consent of Mazin Namdekan. That is senseless. They don't have that sense. Because if they have sense, they will know that Gumi, the Agama lizard of Idu, aka Gumi of Idu, cannot sue any person without the consent of Mazin Namdekan, and he cannot use IPOB name. But all of them we are there. They have written to UN, written to this. You don't know you are. And these people live in Western world. They live in Western world. To tell you that as I am now, if God forbid Italy arrest me, you that is there, you cannot hire a lawyer without my consent. I will be the one to authorize who will go for my case. IPOB is a registered organization. If I tell you that Elvis don't know the meaning of organization, quote me anywhere, any day, anytime, and I will prove that. Elvis don't know the meaning of organization. I have confronted him in one of his programs. I asked him what is organization and what are the rules or guiding organization. He was unable to answer. So you want me to bring such a non-entity to be addressing them. Onye na-eliju afa nara asị mmadụ bịa rie nri. Elvis eribeghị nri. Let him go and feed his own family first before you will now be looking for who to feed. Without Elvis, 1 million march we hold in Brussels. With Elvis, 1 million march we hold in Brussels. Without Elvis, Biafra will come. With him, Biafra will come. So he on the channel, that is the main market. Don't know that one person had here. All those morons, alamajiri in Igbo land. Dulu for one junkie Jamaica Nazianly Cheney land digo come there treat begi. God forbid bad thing. I don't treat such non-entities. I got to go that level. And when didn't nanya onye ọbụna ma level ya. Ndị ga na-treat Elvis issue is these people, this guy that trek from Ebonyi to Ghana, Mazi Ajike. When can the one that trek from Ebonyi to Ghana, that one that always stay in Ghana and be doing like a madman. Those are the people that will be treating Elvis, not me. Bring Elvis here. and treat. Go with the followers. Man with the followers from me. He will be living in bondage. Let him go and join Kenneth Okonkwo in living in bondage. We don't treat Kwashoko people here. Okay? Anyada Zundala. Anyabelo Bodi Zundala. I have a caller here. Let me call this caller back. Because I will round up this program. Like I said, the program will be 1 hour. I have already exceeded 1 hour. Welcome to the program.
Brother. Yeah, what did happen? I get me in a quick, you could tell everything about that guy. If it's our own money, it doesn't have any contribution. Everything is a useless boy. Onyare mechanic, yeah, they were vet in the security guard, yeah, we're a water and guard and I wake up Facebook, a rubbish.
How can you check your night security?
All out of Nigeria. This guy, yeah, never hate it. Media warrior, their franchise, all dog for Gachana, had your family, you know what you will, you know, look at the useless boy. I make a bar and save boy. This guy, but I wonder if you call it again, a show up security guard. Huh? Yeah, like he had them. I join the IPO. You only have to end up for rubbish. Yeah, tomorrow on you do. Tomorrow on autopilot. That's one. Or yeah, so. You call like he never start the guy. The guy makes sense. You want to know in our Facebook. Who each of my mother to go. Nothing. They may have to bring him in our bread. Nothing. 1 cent. My brother, I listening to you. I'm enjoying your program. Thank you very much.
One love. I got to go program. We have a destination and a vision. We will buy naga. Before for those inconsequential human beings, whatever here. Because those people enwelu haba. The olu ulu haba bụ iji wee chụọ aja ma ọ bụ na ha ga-abakwa ulu ịchụ aja. My people, dịka ka anyị ji ekọwa ihe anyị na-ekwu n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ our people nọ n'ugwu. The only solution to save them now is for them to start relocating their goods and properties back to the east. If you are from Ebonyi State, start relocating your things to Ebonyi. If you know that you are afraid to come back to Ebonyi, relocate it to Anambra, relocate it to Enugu, relocate it to Aba. We have excess empty plot of land. Start developing it. Because we have grown past all those The timberland, the building material in that day, if you people can build that place, why can't you people bring it to our land and develop it? We don't have all those things. I'm not supposed to talk all these things, but today I'm supposed to be talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case. But because of this thing, I know that I just suspend our leaders' court case and they talk about all your stupidities. Let me warn you all. Ijiji ntị ike na-eso ụzọ anala ili. Ụkpanụ kpoko gburu bụ ntị chiri ya. A na-ebe atụọrọ ọmara atụọrọ ofeke ofenye isi n'ọfịa. Anya agafego. No going back. Enwere ego mbido unu nju ebido this program. No turning back. Unu like Shibuchichu na agbago m unu. Go and watch the video I played yesterday. These people are retaliating. Ihe ha nọ na bụ cripple your means of living. Ị ga-anatagodo ka ịgbala aka natawa, and you people may help how to achieve that dream. Since you cannot relocate your goods, what are they doing? They will now burn your goods for you. You lose an empty paper bag in Natazia Nakubesia Magina village. Gina Nketo, a Jezobozo who will cut pantry in the village, while you have every chance to relocate with your goods. When I was in a good position, I have been sending you money, I have been taking care of you. Makanaka buyalism na iwetiri tiwe mo na okwangu abuzi aka na ebuyali onwe gi na. Ngu abuzi Buhari na ebuyali gi na. Prevent that aka ya narim, relocate your goods. Makani continue mgbe ndị Hausa Fulani ga-amụ gị ọkụ, you will be crying tears. Ị ga-abịa akwa ibecha akwa mmadụ dịka Ọbasalọm. You are the one doing yourself. So m ga-abịa drop onye here, mana before m drop onye ka m gwakwa unu nke bụ eziokwu. Biafra struggle, Biafra restoration, Biafra movement, ndị na-ase map draw one ga-eji mie bụ ndị the leadership. Onye ọbụla nchọrọ ime something pụta na social media bịa gwaba gị ọnọdụ gị ka ga-eji mie. Esi ga-ajụ onye a bụ ị na-agụ ya ka ọ na social media ka a ga-anọ nie. Sọsọ gị nọ na program ị na-akpapụta alụ one ga-eji wee gbakwu ndị ilo gị ọgụ. Ị bụ onye ala. Ịchọ ịtụpụta alụ gaa na IPOB meeting, ilu die nọlụ die gị na your coordinators and everybody una tụpụta alụ ka ga-eji wee mee wee restore Biafra. Imezini bịa na my program isi m bịa kwuo about Biafra struggle. Biafra struggle dị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu akpachago nkata one Biafra struggle ga-eji ga hand anya over to the leadership of IPOB, Chike Doziem, Chinasa Nworu, Tony Nzurumike, Nnenni Anya, Azayoba, all these people ka ifefa na-alụ. Ọ bụ ịnọ na-akpa nkata everyday na-etiko mamịrị ọnụ. Then anyị bịa nwaanyị na nwaanyị bịakwa meeting, anyị nọlụkwa dị kpakwachi na-akụ ife anyị chọọ ka eme, anyị kwuchie anya ndị coordinators na ndị principal officers ekpokọrọ ya ha anyị kwu tụkọ alụghị ya dị ha nwee werukwa ndị ha ga-ewere ufukwa ndị na-enwere isi ọdotie one side. Mgbe ọbụla ọ dị mma, then anyị ewere ya mee ife. Emezini petition bịa kwuo maka Biafra. Mbịa ka m gwaba gị plan anyị ga-eji wee mee next month. The next thing, the only thing m ga-agwa gị maka Biafra na mbụ nwanne ị nọrọ na north na Taba, ọ bụrụ na ị nọ na be anyị jikwere onwe gị. Mụ amabịakọbalụ gị economic sanction, civil disobedience, bụ onye ala ịmala ife ihe niile ndị ugwu na-eme. Ọkwa ha gba na Abuja, ameni ndị ugwu ka ịfụpụta bịachi gị na ha na plan ịbịa gba Abuja property ndị Igbo nọ na Abuja ọkụ. Ifuru anyone ha conclude ha plan cha conclude ha pụta ha announce ọlụ gị, announce ọnya kpakam, follow it. If you don't follow it, nke gị agụ ikwonji. Ịchọrọ onye ọbụla chọrọ ịbụ a leader, ịchọrọ ịnọ na my house na-eme video na-agwa gị anyị eme nka revolution. Nwanne, don't allow emotion to move you this time. If you were deceived by, or maybe you were misled by your emotion, nwanne, correct it now to avoid the ike akụkọ ịkọja. Ọkụnụ watara ife nna gwa gị maka na oge adịlọ. Ndị be anyị nọ n'ugwu, ihe unu na-anụsọ ọgụ Britain, ọgụ Britain ka unu na-anụ. Unu like ya na tabanụ, unu like ya anatananụ, maka na ndị be anyị si na olu mgbe oge elu unu ga-eji anya unu wee fụ. On this note, on the 26th of May 2022 is total lockdown, sit at home in Biafra land. That day ka join the case Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. That day bụkwa sit at home. 14-15 bụ all road lead to Brussels. Anyị na-aga 1 million march na Belgium na EU headquarter. Then on the 30 bụ our Heroes Day, Heroes and Heroes Day, total lockdown, sit at home. Thank you and remain blessed. On this note, ọ bụ na tata dị izi na-esonye m, ọmụ abụ MAP Eziokwu bụ ndụ 1 in Biafra land. Nwanna from iru gị in this struggle anara m achọ friend. Ọkụnụ wata nya malụ gị maka anyị jiri egwu anụ a ka mkpọlụ ndị North egwu a once again. Hey, onye ahụ kịta ka ọ na-abịa. John Elijah, welcome to the program. You almost missed the program.
I have been here since Maz. I can na background and check get kisi Kosiaga. Kosiaga. I'm so much because you are trying so much. You are trying. I I really appreciate your work. You are doing great. Happen that the thing him to make a man one these people. Time geru. Hasa suffer chank haga suffer. Time geru mgbe ha ga-abata. And all one day gonna say this particular people na ha ga na-eti during that time. Ya asịkwa na Biafra gakwara nọ ka ọ sị na o nweburu property m jikwa na ala ugwu n'ọkwa maka Biafra unu. By then, ha ga-receive another slap. We have told them time without number. As na na-agwa ochinti na ahịa esugo. This call have been there for long. And now loghachinu. Has no way back. With no, it's okay. They can stay. Ma ihe mma bụ na ha ga-agbarịrị aka alọta. And oge ha ga-agba aka alọ, ha ga-enwe another suffering here because they don't want to hear. And ọ bụ ha awụ problem anyị na-enwe because onye pụta most of these things na-ahụ na social media na type because I can na background na-agụ na watch. Most of these people na type na them because of what? Ndị onye nwere shop ka ha na-akpọ ya nwo kiosk. Onye kpọsara na ebe a ka m si ala nlọta m ga-eri gịnị ka ebe anyị nọ ka iberibe ụdịka mmadụ a ka nọ n'ahịa Lagos na-ekwu na enweghị land enweghị ebe ndị mmadụ ga-anọ a na-asị lọta this and that. Listen to me. We are waiting for them. It's better for them now ịchụ ewu ojii n'ihe because ha ma that na ha ga-ada n'elu daa n'ala because ha dị ka ụsụ akwụ ha na n'elu akwụ ha na anụ ala soro ibe gị ma ihe a na-eme esoghị now ha bụkwanụ ndị na-achịla anụ ka ha la ịnọ ibe a na-asị ha ga na-eri everyday wụ this is ọ bụ ndị a wụ the power of no how unity of Nigeria this and that. Let them break that unity that side. If not, something will break it. You remember this woman in Kebru day before either 4 days ago. Okay, or just maybe na Sokoto. The woman was crying. I was watching just reading the statement of the woman. The woman said, "No, na ha wo and the Christian. Now what that na ha they purposely being Christian that they saw themselves Christian. You understand? Just when I was reading the statement, it's a total denial of or the way they saw they were born and saw themselves as a Christian. So why are they spoiling their goose? Now those people, that particular woman, no, I bear her and they can there. Wundi neba nekuha say forget about and then now way ban. Yeah, honey, may be a fragadia. Nothing will just you don't care. Oh, go through. Utiazena or Guazina, Biap no Oloha, Namoha, Waha, Nahawo or Christian. No, didn't just he was the blame was that na their parents. So what am I trying to say? Aqua gebe. It's just like okay, no neti. Nothing is happening. But at the end, they later cry. So forget about these people. Needed to give me her because only see any and all for long or na komberimba. Etia kampu. Agwaha will after no bombo no. Fair now. Erofaya na-achị ọwụka n'ụkọ ihe a oge ọ bụrụ ihe a na Abuja Ministry of Works ka ọ bụ ihe a ọ wụcha ka o clay everything ndị Igbo clay ihe ọ bụla just ọkụ gbara agwa. Now at the end of it many people at least ama onwegoro ndị mere affect onye nwanda affect we are born there. Now onye ọbụla agbara aka esi ebe a agbara aka lọghachi. Now today again how can they play the game? They play the game. My people are talking. Anyone in this year today, are we not living? We are living and we are making it. So how would you want to tell me that now when he gave me? Because your problem is just can we neighbor hold on then. So we are here waiting for them. and we will cry against even up Hanebe and then atop the home or Pamata can be on a bear in that top of the Yambo more can corner a feel the pen. Oh, Toga. So MAP GCK, we are always on background now watch Koshiaga. I'm still here. So GCK only one by room because
he said Bakwango medal. You just make a whole lot of point here. Obona Haga no handle, Obona Hamanu, yeah, with their own problem. The banks na Onyoniana Bokada Chuntoke. Unu like a develop when Abuja, Obona Abuja Kwahune develop. Obuna Sokote Kwahune develop, Ofuma. Unu develop Pucha Abuja develop, Unu Sokoto develop, Unu Gakwonu na Niger Republic, Unu Makwana, Ima, ne Niger, ne all the same thing na. Unu nwekwa ike ịgafe na Niger develop wee na Gabanu ndala amụrụ unu mụọ develop amaka m ihe n'ezi omenezi ndị Igbo dị nzuzu Igbo dị ezigbo nzuzu unu develop cha Abuja unu gawakwuo na Niger ga develop onye from there unu gawa mba ọzọ ndala ka m bịa mewelu na ebele ndị Fulani ga-eji unu wee agwa m unu onye ọbụla mkpọrọ onwe ya nwa Biafra nka nọ na North is a sacrificial lamb. Egeji ha wee chụọ aja, ọ bụ ihe eji wee chụọ aja ka unu bụ unu ma stop Biafra. Ka njile egwu a wee mechie nya ma ala niile ma alụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ma alụ awa lawyers ma alụ DOS mma. Daalụnụ. Anya ada asị ndo na ndadụla na our dictionary. Egwu unu na-afụ gaa na YouTube type Moonlight esonyelie subscribe or then sonyelie download all the music. No going back, no turning back, forward ever, backward never. All the very simple. We are the people. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. Listen.
We are the indigenous Biafrans. In case you never know, we are the chosen generation. In case you never know, we did it to the call of our passiros. Posters are killing us, precious silent, but we know that this is war. Everybody know, them know, you know, and we know. They don't want us to be free, cause we got it all. Out of this is even better we go. Every inch and every mile they think we never go. Cause we need our freedom. We want our freedom.
Freedom.
We want our freedom. We want our freedom. That it all belongs to. Jano.
No more turning back. Silas Chijoke, greetings from here. Christian Ezego, greetings from here.
Can't stop the motion, cause this is revolution. From the beginning of time, suffering and tribulation, yeah. Marginalization and lies. They never wanna see us survive.
Daddy,
we still and caring. We wanna go the candle light of generations young. I feel the pain, but I believe in letter day. Yeah, now the sunshine of life. Say no place like home. No place like home. Yeah, yeah. No turning back.
Shekina Ebel, greetings from here. Mado Biafra TV. I greet you. Henry Jamanse. Freedom. Freedom. Akujobi Abuchuku, greetings from here.
I know you know.
Prince Merit Okenwa. I cite you. IPOB, one family. No more turning back. No more turning back. No more turning back. Go and download this music. IPOB, one family, IPOB. When they got download all this music, na Moonlight. Just say banye na YouTube, type no more turning back or Moonlight. Then you download one. Okay, one ọbụna nọ n'ugwu ebe ọbụna ị nọ, gwa ha that IPOB, we are not turning back, is forward ever. Njoku Benedict Chinaza, greetings from here. On this note, I get with tennis in Jerobe. Ede Onuora Vicent, ekenekwa m gị, Ifeanyi John, ekenem gị. IPOB one family. Ndị ugwu ịnọlụ n'ugwu, you a sacrificial lamb. Eda na-eji gị wee chụọ aja, ejiri ngwa ahịa gị wee chụọ aja. Ekwene ka mmadụ lafuo gị. Welunu ụtụtụ wee chọba na ewu ojii before chi ejie. Na chietenu ka anyị develop ọnụ ala Biafra. Ka anyị ji ka nyamala anyị niile mma. Ọ na-aka ọ dị. Ise until anyị bịakwa echi. Maka no retreat, no surrender. Anyị ga na-aga n'iru. God bless you all. Ayola, Mickey, greetings from here. I greet all of you. The names are too much. Thank you and remain blessed. Chinyere, Califas, Mado, greetings from here.